Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn on read receipts on the Twitter application. So if you want to turn on read receipts on the Twitter, simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Twitter application and log into your account. Once you will log into your account, now you have to click on the three lines on the left top, and from here you have to click on the settings and the privacy, and in the settings and the privacy you have to click on the privacy and the safety. Once you will here, you will see multiple options here. Simply you have to click on the direct messages, and in the messages you will see this option. You have to turn your toggle on like this to turn on the read receipts on the Twitter application. So in this way you can do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.